Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
During the investigation of Sajjid, Sajjid has revealed that their gang has been targeting other cities of our country as well. They have committed offences in Hyderabad, Mumbai and multiple cities in UP. Finally, they tried to target Goa, they committed offence and now they are in police net. So we are also parallelly working and we are also sharing the information with these police stations and district police to share about the information, and in case they have committed offence there, so that can be verified and they can be taken into task in their case as well. So we were able to apprehend the first accused who is involved in this case. His name is Anas, his age is 22 years and he is the resident of Meerut. On further sustained investigation, we were able to find it out that these accused were basically from UP and Uttarakhand, and a massive interstate combing operation was launched in which our team immediately were rushed down to Delhi and UP. The special team from Delhi police as well as UP police, especially from districts of Meerut and Muzaffarnagar, were taken into task, and with the joint operation we were able to apprehend the second major accused person who is involved in this house burglary and chain snatching. His name is Sajjid, his age is 36 years and he is also a resident of Meerut. The coordinated and combined effort of the joint team led to the apprehension of both these accused. There are two more absconding accused as per the current investigation, and major combing operation is being carried out in Uttarakhand, UP, Delhi along with Goa.